This is a blue and unique planet of the universe. It has its own natural beauty and life. It has true beauty of natureland and amazing species. But the most powerful brain is destroying nature for its development and luxury, causes drought and other types of pollution. The blue planet is turning into black and mousy.
So, International Environmental Organization (IEO) is taking initiative to back to the beautiful Earth. IEO is running with SG Mr. Rudransh Garg and DSG Mr. Vatsan Vinod Kaval. IEO is covering against all types of pollution. We also cover our SDG goals like climate action, life below water, life on land. We also follow reduce, reuse and recycle.
We have an amazing idea. People who visit a park, they will get instant discount on the tickets when they will wish to give service on the park like planting trees or watering the plants. It's a great initiative to keep the park clean.
Currently, a tree planting festival is going on from December 2020 to February 2021. So contact fast. We also have our website and this is its QR code. And for any query, please contact us on the ID given below.